NannaJuanas is a forward-thinking, lip, skin and hair, personal products care company. Our products are 100% organic, vegan-friendly, non-GMO, gluten, fragrance and cruelty-free. We are certified by PETA, with no animal testing. Just organic for you and the planet. Today, most personal care products have chemicals, additives, toxins, surfactants and more, all as ingredients in their products. This is a huge growing reality and now a big problem in almost all countries. Everyone is getting exposed. According to the United States Environmental Protection Agency, known as the EPA, toxic chemicals are associated with a variety of serious health issues. At NannaJuanas, our mission is to deliver an alternative to those polluted, toxic, everyday personal care products you use daily. Founded by beauty specialist Deborah Scotti and organic activist Raymond St. Clair, they chose their company name to reflect what they wanted their products to represent. One's outer self, reflecting inner beauty. The name Nana was chosen to reflect the feeling of love and security provided by most elders or grandmothers, much like the nourishment and protection that our products offer. The name Juanas was chosen because it manifested itself, just at the time the decision was being made, as if it was a sign. The name Juana made itself available, bringing with it the fact that Juana is an old Hebrew word, which means gift from God. The right name came at the right time. Thus was born NannaJuanas, Nana's gift from God. Our products have been amazing customers ever since. Using NannaJuanas products will help you toward going organic with less toxic contaminants going on you and being absorbed into your body through your skin's pores. So the next time you go to use your current personal care products, take a look at what's in those products, and then ask, why put all that nasty on yourself? Go organic for you and the planet. Use NannaJuanas all organic products to look and feel great every day. When you want it blessed by Mother Earth, use NannaJuanas.